Hello, this is a quick video to show how to make image to black and white in Photoshop. I have an image downloaded from freepik.com. We can find the downloading in this video description. Now I click the image into Photoshop to open the image. I press shortcut Ctrl+0 to view it. To make the image black and white, we can go to Image and Mode. We can choose Grayscale and then discard it. So we got the black and white image. This is the first option. I press shortcut Ctrl+Z to undo it. And then second option, we can go to Image, Adjustments. We can choose black and white too. Or we can use shortcut Alt+Shift+Ctrl+B to get the black and white window. For the color bar, we can find adjustment the detailing. For example, I go back to color image. If we want to change more definition of the glass, we can adjust the green color bar, so we can see the glass clearly. Same thing, if we want to adjust the blue background, we can make it brighter. So we can find adjustment to the black and white image by using this toolbar. And then we can click OK. I press shortcut Ctrl+Z to undo it. If you want to keep the layer, we can go to Window and choose Layer. And then go to the bottom, click here to create an adjustment layer. We can get the same black and white tool here. So this is how we can make image to black and white in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Alt+B. See you in the next video. Bye bye.